Part 2. This fire. These fireworks are crazy. Fireworks are crazy. I'm scared, man. Looking for fireworks. Oh shoot! I should not be by those fireworks. They're dead, but I don't know if they can relight anytime. Bruh. Is that a firework over there? Nah, I don't believe that. Where's the fireworks at, bro? Hi. Hi, where are the fireworks at? Okay, guys, for now, I'll just look for fireworks. You know what? Nah, no fireworks over there yet. I'm using the second camera, that's why. Oh shoot, did I hope I don't. I hope I didn't do what I want. Okay. Let me see. Is that a firework? Nope, that's a plane. Oh shoot, I'm backing up. My uncle just did another firework. No. I'm scared. Why am I so scared? I don't know. I don't know why I'm so scared. I'm just scared. Bruh. Onion. Man,